And to thank the people of this town for sharing their treasured traditions with us, I want to cook a recipe passed down through my own family for 50 years. And it's one of Mia's favorite dishes, my classic 4 cheeses macaroni. So the pasta goes straight in there. This will take about 10-11 minutes. Okay. The first thing is the soft cheese. So that is going to go in there. I'm using mascarpone. Now, after that, we're going to use gorgonzola. And I only want to use the middle soft parts. And the mozzarella, I'm going to cut it into small cubes. Now, look what's happening here. I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper. Like that. I'm going to add the peas. And peas is good because it gives color. And also, it gives they burst into your mouth when they go into the tube of the pasta. They're magnificent. Okay, the pasta, drain as much as you can. Go straight into the sauce. The sauce should just lightly coat the pasta. Now is the time that we're gonna add the mozzarella right at the ends. I'm gonna put just a little touch of milk, full fat milk, okay? And then I got pecorino cheese that I'm gonna grate on top. With the remaining heat of the pan, fold in the mozzarella. Now, see those strings there? See? Happy Gino. We're gonna put a toasted breadcrumb, simple, colorful, and absolutely delicious. But before we tuck in, I've got one last surprise for Mia, who just loves dancing. Mia! Are you want me to dance? I can dance. What is it? Step, step, right.
No.
What is it then?
So, wait. So, step,
Due.
tre, sei.
Okay, well, it's more complicated than I thought. Okay, all right. Sardinia has a deep-rooted folk culture and its own language, Sardo. As well as ancient dance traditions, the most famous is ballo tondo, meaning round dance. This dance is performed during the countless festivals held on the island each year. Its origin lies in the seasonal cycles of farming. Bravi! Bravi! Now let's see if my grandmother's recipe has also stood the test of time. Ah, ragazze! Look what I got. Tell me what you think. Okay? Com'è? How is it?
Ottimo.
Look, if you got good cheeses and a bit of pasta, simple to do it. Okay?